Hey, this is Tom from supplyhouse.com, and in this video we'll talk about the Aprilaire 1850 dehumidifier. This made in the USA dehumidifier is a high-capacity solution that helps you achieve total comfort through humidity control, as it is installed as part of the home's heating and cooling system. The 1850 pulls air from every room in your home through the return ducts. Then it removes the moisture and sends dry air back throughout the home. It works in conjunction with the air conditioning system to efficiently balance the humidity levels in the home, but can also work independently on days when air conditioning is not needed. This unit removes up to 95 pints of moisture per day and provides dehumidification for homes up to 5,200 square feet. The unit performs quietly and is placed away from the living space in the basement, crawl space, or utility closet, and uses automatic humidity sensing for efficient and effective removal of excess humidity in the home. It includes a built-in, easy-to-use control. An added benefit is that it requires low maintenance with no messy trays to empty and simple once-a-year filter cleaning or replacement. These units have 10-inch duct diameters and a 3/4-inch male NPT drain connection. It measures 12.5 by 14.5 by 27.5 inches. Optional wall mount controls are available but sold separately. It also comes with a 5-year warranty. For more information, visit the resources on supplyhouse.com or email us with any questions.